Hi Marlo, thank you so much for your Module 4 assignment submission. I see it. I received it here in the training course, the online faculty training course. Thank you so much. I've read through your reflection and I've also enrolled myself in your practice course. So that's what I'm taking a look at to see if you were able to, the first thing we asked you to do was to create that calendar entry. So I'm going to pull up the calendar tool in your course and hopefully you didn't have any problems with that. Excellent. So you got that discussion post 1 added to your calendar entry. Now, to edit a calendar entry, all you do is you click on it and it gives you the option to change anything in those fields. You can delete it if you need to do that as well. That question comes up quite a bit. The other thing we asked you to do was to create a link to the announcements tool, which you did. Hopefully that was pretty straightforward. You can create a link to other tools in your course menu should you need to do that same way. And I also see that you added a couple announcements to the announcements tool. So that's perfect. An announcement about the syllabus and then another one in Module 8 it looks like for the sample test that you created. That's great. Hopefully that was straightforward. I'm sure you've done that a million times in your online courses. Remember the handy thing here is that you can edit and send a copy of this to students if you needed to blast your students' emails. That's a way to get them an emailed copy of this announcement as well. So don't forget about that option. And then the other thing we asked you to do was to add your syllabus to the course. So you've done that. It looks like it's a Word document. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It'll open up in Microsoft Word. And I like this. I'm conducting more research with that Jane Goodall. That's good. That's the kind of stuff that grabs students' attention, just like it grabbed mine, so that's great. It's fun that you've included that. The other thing that we just check on, I'm just going to do a search on Blackboard. It looks like it's picking up a couple Blackboard mentions here. You may also want to include, in terms of Blackboard, the Blackboard support information. So if you go into our sample syllabus, which is in that Module 4 content, you'll find at the very, very bottom of the sample syllabus, there's the technical requirements and the Blackboard orientation material. So both of those contain some information that you could share with your online students. It might be helpful, especially that 24/7 help desk phone number. So feel free to copy and paste that from the sample syllabus if you wanted to add it to your own syllabus as well. Okay. So we're good here, we're good here. Let me go back over to Firefox where you did your reflection and looks like you picked up a couple things that you'd need to do to improve your own syllabus, including adding a section about netiquette, how to prepare computers. So that's that technical requirements link that I just shared with you. And you're thinking about maybe making it a more interactive, interesting syllabus. That's great. Let us know if you need any help with that. Send out an email as soon as emails are provided a couple days before the semester starts. So keep in mind that you do have the ability to email your students as soon as they start registering for your class if you do it through Blackboard. So you can go into the Grade Center and there's a send email function. There's a button in the Grade Center for sending email. If you go through the Grade Center, then you'll be able to email your students as soon as you start seeing names appear in the Grade Center, which is usually well before a few days before the beginning of the semester starts. So you might be able to get them earlier if you wanted to. And then your welcome announcement sounds cool, especially this icebreaker, 2 truths and a lie forum that I bet really gets your students' attention. That's fun. And if you need any help with a welcome video, let us know. Your rubric for this assignment, great job with your practice course activity. You've got 10 points for that, and then I'm also going to give you 10 points for your reflection as well, full credit. Great job, Marlo. Keep up the wonderful work. Thank you for your Module 4 assignment submission.